Now let's talk about the next challenge, which is the machine complexity. And at the same time, machine complexity also means that the machines are coming with a lot of capabilities. And in order to cope with those, we are offering machine programming tools. And those tools, which are software components that are embeddable on a CNC control, they offer cycle-based programming, for example, and also we do offer a framework that will help you create post-processors and also deliver posted G-code to the machine. Now, in another product category that we're offering, we're talking about process analysis and automation tools. So we have embeddable software components like our advanced simulation, which can help to track engagement of the machine. It can also see error cuts, for example, and all of those data can be used in order to optimize the process. Other tools are in order to further automate, which means depending on the application area that you're working in, we can set up a tool that would guide you through a programming sequence, and providing the 3D geometry that you have, it can already be automatically programmed.